So guys, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing this arcade recipe with you. Actually, in today's recipe we are using corn to complement this arcade. And I hope you like arcade also like we do in this house. So I've gone ahead to start up this. I'm going to add some oil to this pot that has onion in it. Yeah. Be generous with your oil. If you have a lot of onion, that will be very perfect, trust me. Akidi recipe, you need oil, you need enough onion. But hey, I'm managing the onion I have. I just discovered I don't have so much onion left, so I have to use what I have. Okay, so this akidi, I boiled it with some onion, add a little bit of salt, parboil if you like to parboil, because I like to parboil my beans. No matter beans, rice, chicken, I parboil those things. Okay, so go ahead and parboil your beans, allow it to cook until it is soft. Okay, so I'm going to let this oil toast for about 60 seconds. Yeah, so here I am adding all of this goodness. I have spring onion. It's not, necessary. It's optional. Like I told you, I don't have enough onion. Since I have spring onion in my garden, I've gone to pluck some spring onion. Okay, I have scotch bonnet peppers. I'm not adding a lot of it because of my grandbaby. I have ehuru here, as you can see. I have some okpei. You can skip if you don't like. Okpei is locust beans. I have garlic. You can skip this. I have ginger. I have my crayfish. I have tomatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this goodness because we are about to wrap this up. Okay. So this is it. I blended the first round. This is a very good meal. Very delicious, healthy. Baby, it's gonna be ready in a minute, okay? In just a minute. The stew is almost ready, so I'm just gonna add the corn now. And here we go. Guys, you see, my hubby is ready to leave for work, and I'm making this so that he can have something for, dinner. We are watching ball here, guys, in case you hear any noise, okay? So here we have our corn. I like fresh corn, guys, like I always tell you. And I have some leftovers from the last corn, and I'm going to put everything in. Yeah, let me show you. I just roasted some corn. It's been a long time I ate roasted corn, guys. This is for Gucci's alone. The only person I can share this with is my grandbaby. This is our fresh corn. I'm going to add it in, guys. This is how you go about this recipe. This is a very good recipe. Simple, healthy, very healthy recipe. Oh my goodness, look at that deliciousness. We call this Adalu in Nigeria. This is how I see my mom cooking it with fresh corn. You can use canned corn if you like, but it depends on what you like. Okay, but what I use is fresh corn, fresh from the garden. I'm waiting for my stew to just, dry up a little bit more. I'll add everything and we are ready. If you like this recipe, comment on the comment section. Interesting, I know you love this recipe because I see a lot of people who are doing this very recipe and they always say they like it too. You can add salt, you can add seasoning, whatever you want to add, that is your choice. But this is how I'm going about it. Very simple, healthy, and natural. You guys see my angel here. See my angel cooking with me. Papa, Papa. You guys, we're going to add this sauce. It's already okay. Your sauce has to come out gang. That's where you get the good taste from. Woo! I poured it on top of the stove, man. So I added this. This is from the corn I boiled. I have some 3 leftovers. I always have corn at home, guys. And this is my fresh corn. Tell me how you see this deliciousness. Just tell me. Are you going to try this? Like I said, I'm sorry about the noise. There's so much noise going on here. Yeah. Guys, I'm about to add this. Look at that. This is good. This is good. If you feel like you want some more oil, sorry about that noise, you can go ahead and add some, especially if you have good oil. Don't do this if you don't have good oil. If you don't have good oil, don't do this because it's going to mess up the taste. But this oil is a good oil. Yeah, there's enough corn. I love that there's enough corn here. My kitchen smells incredible. My grandbaby will love it. He will love it, guys. I'm doing a lot today, guys. I'm washing, I'm cooking, cleaning. Man, this is what I don't like. This is so good. So good. And you see the yummy. My grandbaby will say yum. This is so good. So good, so delicious. So delicious. I hope you try this, guys. Papa, your food is ready. Daddy, get rid some here before you leave. Okay, you know your bone now because we with the mama. It's ready. I car. Audio overcooked. This is good. Which is still beloved. Can be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Let me put some for my grandbaby. Let it be cooling down now. Before he's ready. He likes to eat his food by himself. Now, you can see my family is ready for this food already. It's not even going to be enough, Papa. Is that enough for you? And Daddy? That is too hot. nice. This food is ready. Let me see what I'm washing. Let me check my laundry. Da. I have something washing. Papa. Dada is always helping me. My baby is always helping me. Daddy, we have 6 minutes to go. Papa. Thank you all so very much for always coming back to watch. I always, I don't know, I have storage full right now. That's why I can't post so many videos of my rehab program. I don't know what I'm going to do. I just decided to do this with you guys straight up, so I'll send this video straight up. I hope you have loved this video. Please give it a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. God bless you mightily. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye and stay blessed.